WERA continues to push tool design forward with smart upgrades built for real-world work. From extended ratcheting wrenches that reach deeper with less effort to compact modular kits that keep essentials close at hand, this lineup is all about efficiency and control. Whether you're handling mechanical prep, tight installations, or everyday service tasks, these new tools focus on speed, comfort, and reliability where it matters most. So let's get started. The Joker 6007 feels purposeful the moment you pick it up. That extra length isn't accidental. This extended wrench set goes beyond standard span, giving extra leverage with less wrist strain. That extra reach pays off when fasteners sit deep within frames, panels, or mounting channels. One end features an open jaw with a gripping function. Hardened teeth on the metal plate clamp the nut firmly, preventing it from slipping when working overhead or inside cabinets. The dual hex jaw design further tightens the angle, so flipping the wrench becomes unnecessary. Made from chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel chrome finish, this tool shows good resistance to corrosion, ideal for construction sites and industrial environments. Size markings stand out at a glance, helping you choose quickly. Although this set isn't insulated, it fits electrical installation work during mechanical prep stages and proves especially handy where leverage and access matter. The ToolCheck Modular Set 1 feels like the ultimate everyday companion for service and maintenance work. This modular system packs a range of essential tools into one tidy set that stays flexible and ready. It's designed so that you can assemble just what you need for the job, and nothing more. Inside, you'll find a smart selection of drivers, sockets, and bits that cover the most common profiles encountered during installs and repairs. The modular holders make switching components fast and secure, so you spend less time hunting for parts and more time working. Each piece feels solid in hand and clearly built for repeated, daily use. Bits and sockets are arranged with logical color coding and labeling, which speeds up selection when you're moving between different fasteners. The compact case stays organized even after long days on site and integrates with other accessory systems for easy transport. While this set isn't insulated for live work, it's a go-to solution for mechanical assembly, rack mounting, and general installation tasks where versatility and speed are key. There are moments when efficiency outweighs everything else, especially during repeated screwdriving tasks. This is where this handle quietly cuts down working time without drawing attention. After a brief introduction, you meet the 837i RA Kraftform handle. It feels familiar in the hand, yet inside it houses a 40-tooth ratcheting system. With a 9-degree return angle, it performs well in tight spaces behind breakers or within control cabinets. The direction selector is easy to operate, allowing you to switch rotation without looking. A lock setting is also available when you want pure manual drive. The ergonomic handle design distributes pressure evenly across the palm, helping to reduce hand strain during long sequences of fastening. Because it accepts VDE interchangeable blades, one handle supports many drive types without adding extra weight. This is a tool that often catches people off guard the first time they use it. You set it on a nut, and it instantly adjusts itself. That simple action usually explains everything. This is the Joker 6004 VDE set. 4 wrenches cover sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters, and from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch. No adjustments, no measuring, just position and turn. The jaws grip firmly, reducing slippage and protecting the edges of fasteners. Inside the head, a ratchet mechanism enables continuous rotation without lifting the tool. A 30-degree return angle makes it effective in restricted areas around bus bars or cabinet structures. Parallel jaw alignment helps keep plated surfaces undamaged, which is important on finished hardware. Each wrench is insulated and tested up to 10,000 volts. It may feel unfamiliar compared to traditional spanners, but once in use, it becomes fast and natural. For electricians who regularly handle gland nuts or mounting components, this set delivers efficiency without compromising safety. Next is a tool that offers a high level of adaptability. almost acting like a screwdriving multi-tool. The Kraftform Kompakt 20 RAR feels conventional at first, yet it hides several smart features. Inside the handle, 6 bitorsion bits are stored and ready. The built-in ratchet accelerates work during extended screw runs. There is also a free spin function that allows rapid turning when resistance is minimal. The telescoping blade changes how the tool performs. When shortened, it reaches deep recessed screws. Extended, it functions like a standard full-length driver. Fully removed, it serves as a bit holder for power tools. The Rapidaptor chuck allows quick bit changes while holding them securely. This flexibility minimizes tool changes and keeps work flowing smoothly. It is not VDE insulated, so it is intended for non-live operations, but for assembly and maintenance tasks, it proves extremely versatile. We see it as a helpful partner that adjusts to the task instead of forcing the user to adjust. Now we turn to a tool that immediately feels longer in the hand, and that extra length is by design. This is the Joker 6007 set. These wrenches extend beyond standard lengths, providing added leverage without increasing wrist strain. This is especially useful when fasteners are positioned deep within frames, panels, or mounting channels. One end features an open jaw with a holding function. A metal plate with hardened teeth secures the nut firmly, preventing it from falling when working overhead or inside enclosures. The opposite end includes an 80-tooth ring ratchet. The fine tooth count keeps the return angle extremely small, which is ideal when clearance around the fastener is limited. The double hex jaw design further reduces the working angle, eliminating the need to flip the wrench. Made from chrome molybdenum steel with a nickel chrome coating, these tools offer excellent resistance to corrosion, making them suitable for construction sites and industrial environments. At this stage, we enter the realm where precision is essential. The click-torque lock range feels sturdy and confidence-inspiring once the setting is adjusted. You set the torque value, turn the fastener, and wait for the distinct click. That audible and tactile signal confirms the target has been reached, helping prevent over-tightened connections or stripped threads. The lineup spans from compact quarter-inch drives covering 2.5 to 25 Newton meters, up to half-inch versions capable of reaching 200 Newton meters. The torque lock feature stands out here. When deactivated, the wrench functions like a regular ratchet. This allows you to loosen tight fasteners without putting stress on the internal torque system. Some models also support both clockwise and counterclockwise torque application, adding flexibility during more involved assemblies. Although these tools are not VDE insulated, electricians frequently rely on them for fixing rails, housings, and structural components before energizing a system. The construction feels professional and clearly intended for everyday site use. This tool feels specifically designed for high-torque tasks in live electrical settings. The 410 VDE features a T-handle design that allows force to be applied evenly with both hands. This layout is especially helpful when tightening larger fasteners in switchboards or distribution panels. It uses a 3/8-inch square drive with a ball lock system, keeping sockets firmly in place during operation. Internally, a fine-tooth ratchet provides a return angle of 4.5 degrees. This makes steady progress possible even where movement is extremely limited. A thoughtful detail is the free spinning sleeve near the head. By applying finger pressure, you can add resistance, enabling the ratchet to engage even when the fastener offers minimal load. In some cases, organization is just as critical as the tools themselves. The Belt B VDE one set demonstrates this immediately. 10 insulated bit sockets are arranged on a compact textile belt that can clip on, hang, or mount wherever it's most convenient. Each socket uses a 3/8-inch drive and is tested to 10,000 volts, rated safe up to 1,000 volts. The insulation features a red outer layer with a yellow core underneath, making damage easy to detect at a glance. The retention system is particularly noteworthy. Torque sockets hold fasteners through their shape, while hex sockets use a spring-loaded ball. This ensures screws stay attached when working deep inside cabinets or overhead. The short socket length improves access in tight corners. The belt rotates smoothly and detaches cleanly. For electricians who spend their days working in live panels, this set helps minimize dropped parts and wasted time. The ball grip design changes how force flows through the hand. The rounded handle allows natural downward pressure, making it easier to loosen stubborn screws without forcing the wrist into uncomfortable positions. Several drivers feature laser-tip tips, which grip screw heads more effectively and reduce cam-out during high torque turns. The set also includes a chisel driver equipped with a through blade and an impact cap. This allows for light chiseling tasks or freeing seized fasteners when required. Many of the tools are VDE insulated, keeping the set relevant for electrical applications. Everything is carried in a durable belt holster, ensuring quick access when working on ladders or lifts. The overall impression is practical and straightforward rather than showy. For electricians on the move, it serves as a dependable grab-and-go kit. Some days call for a single pouch that can tackle nearly every fastener inside an electrical panel. This kit fills that need confidently. With one quick grab, you're working with the Kraftform Kompakt VDE 17 Universal Set. It includes 2 insulated handles, along with 15 interchangeable shafts covering slotted, Phillips, Posidrive, plus-minus, and Torx types. Each blade measures 157 millimeters, a comfortable length for most cabinet depths. Swapping blades is quick and effortless, and the slim shaft design on many pieces makes it easier to reach recessed terminals without dismantling nearby components. All parts are individually tested up to 10,000 volts and approved for use up to 1,000 volts, keeping them suitable for live electrical work. Clear color markings on the blades speed up identification when moving rapidly between connections. The folding pouch stays neat and integrates with the WERA 2Go system, making transport tidy. This set is ideal for everyday installation and service jobs, where versatility beats carrying extra tools. Here we move slightly beyond strictly electrical duties, though many electricians often work in this area. The 9530 Torque wrench kit is built for precise tightening and heat pump and air conditioning systems. The core tool is the Click Torque X7, offering a working range from 10 to 100 Newton meters with an accuracy of plus or minus 4%. A standout feature is the QR code printed on the wrench. Scanning it instantly calculates the correct torque setting based on the length of the insert tool, eliminating the risk of manual calculation mistakes. 3. Self-adjusting Joker insert wrenches cover sizes from 16 to 32 millimeters. They automatically grip the nut and ratchet smoothly with a 30-degree return angle. Although this set is not VDE insulated, it is extremely useful for electricians working alongside HVAC installations. Every toolkit needs a solution for extremely tight spaces, and this is where the Stubby one quietly delivers. The handle is compact, yet shaped to sit comfortably in the hand. A magnetic 1/4-inch bit holder keeps bits firmly in place, even with heavier fasteners. The case includes 18 by torsion bits covering the most common drive types encountered on site. Its short profile allows access behind panels, inside enclosures, or near frame edges where standard screwdrivers simply won't fit. The bi-torsion design absorbs sudden load peaks, helping prevent snapped tips. Color markings make bit selection fast and easy. The textile case remains slim and fits neatly into WERA 2Go bags. This tool excels during finishing tasks and tight retrofit work. If the earlier VDE set felt well-rounded, this one feels all-inclusive. The VDE Big Pack one comes with 2 insulated handles and 24 interchangeable blades. The selection covers nearly every profile you'll encounter, with many reduced diameter shafts designed for modern terminal blocks. Each blade is tested to 10,000 volts and certified safe up to 1,000 volts. This kit is built for electricians who want full coverage on the job. Instead of adapting or making do, you always have the correct blade at hand. Color coding keeps blade selection quick, even during long shifts. Despite the large number of components, the storage remains compact and organized. For full-time professionals or team use, this pack removes guesswork entirely. This set is all about delivering torque. The Kraftform Kompakt 400 is built around a T-handle bit holder with rapidaptor. The T-handle design channels force straight through the forearm, allowing higher tightening power with less fatigue. 16 quarter-inch bits are included, covering the most common drive profiles. Bit changes are quick and secure thanks to the rapidaptor mechanism. The free-spinning sleeve helps guide the tool smoothly during screw engagement. This set is well suited for mechanical assembly, rack installation, and structural fastening that supports electrical systems. It is not insulated, so it's intended for non-live stages of work. When a task demands strength combined with control, this tool proves its value. This set feels like opening a small tool case that somehow keeps revealing more. The Kraftform Kompakt 100 squeezes 52 components into a textile case that remains impressively organized. Inside you'll find a rapidaptor manual holder, a rapidaptor adapter for power tools, 30 by torsion bits, 12 impactor bits, and 8 hex plus L keys. That combination makes its purpose clear. Manual tasks, machine-driven fastening, and backup solutions all live in one kit. Bi-torsion bits are designed for everyday fastening and soak up sudden load peaks, helping extend their lifespan. When cordless drills or impact drivers come into play, the impactor bits take over, built to handle higher torque demands. The hex plus L keys reduce wear and rounding on socket screws, which is important for repeated maintenance work. Color markings allow quick size recognition. The textile case can stand upright and integrates with WERA 2 Go systems, keeping storage adaptable. While this is not a VDE insulated kit, electricians commonly use it during mechanical setup and mounting phases. This is one of those tools that draws attention the moment someone notices it. The Zyklop pocket appears compact, yet it merges a ratchet, screwdriver, and bit storage into a single unit. It works with quarter-inch bits and 3/8-inch sockets via magnetic attachment. Inside, a 72-tooth ratchet mechanism delivers a 5-degree return angle, making it ideal for confined areas. The head swivels and locks into multiple positions, allowing straight, angled, or T-handle use. Inside the handle, 12 bi-torsion bits are stored in a rotating magazine, always close at hand. This design excels during service jobs, where carrying minimal gear is a priority. Although it is not insulated, electricians frequently rely on it for panel installation, rack work, and general hardware tasks. The build feels sturdy despite its pocket-sized form. For such a small tool, it covers an impressive range of jobs. This set offers a smart solution for reducing the number of spanners you carry without sacrificing coverage. The Joker 6006 includes 2 self-adjusting double open-end wrenches. Together, they span metric sizes from 7 to 19 millimeters and imperial sizes from 1/4 inch to 3/4 inch, replacing a stack of fixed wrenches. Parallel jaws grip the fastener firmly, minimizing the chance of slipping. Both ends feature a ratcheting function, allowing continuous turning once positioned. The return angle sits at roughly 30 degrees, which is helpful in tight spaces. While the set is not VDE insulated, it fits well into electrical work during mounting and mechanical assembly stages. The folding pouch keeps everything compact. For professionals who value efficiency and space savings, this kit is a practical choice. This one moves into problem-solving territory. The Kraftform Kompakt 900 looks like a standard screwdriver set, but it conceals an impact feature. A strike from a hammer converts downward force into rotation, delivering up to 25 Newton meters to loosen stubborn screws. This is especially useful on seized fasteners or aged enclosures. The impact function can be disengaged easily, allowing the tool to operate like a normal screwdriver. A hex bolster lets you apply extra leverage with a wrench when required. The through-blade construction transfers force directly, reducing energy loss. 18 hardened bits cover the most common drive types. This kit is not VDE rated, so it is intended for non-live work. When fasteners refuse to budge, it helps save both time and effort. We end with something straightforward and reliable. The Kraftform Kompakt VDE 7 Universal 2 concentrates on the most frequently used electrical screws. One insulated handle is paired with 6 interchangeable blades covering positive and slotted drives. Blade length remains at 157 mm, making it suitable for most electrical panels. Each component is tested up to 10,000 volts and approved for use up to 1,000 volts. Color coding speeds up blade selection, and the handle design remains comfortable during extended use. The pouch is lightweight and compact, making it a good fit for apprentices and service technicians. It may not stand out visually, but for everyday electrical tasks, it feels solid, practical, and trustworthy. That was all. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.